Hello, my name is Julie Cooper-Smith. In today's presentation, we will be focusing on the reintroduction of gray wolves in Yellowstone National Park. The questions we will be focusing on are as follows. What was the purpose of reintroducing gray wolves into Yellowstone National Park? How does this reintroduction affect various ecosystems of the park? What impact does this have on park visitors and the residents in the area, as well as what is the overall economic impact of the reintroduction of the wolves? Gray wolves were once found from as far north as the Arctic all the way south to Mexico. However, due to being viewed by ranchers as nuisances and dangerous, they disappeared by the early 1900s. In 1973, gray wolves were declared endangered under the Endangered Species Act, and as a result, under the ESA, the wolves were to be restored to their historical habitat. However, it was not until 1995 that the relocation of 41 gray wolves from Canada to Yellowstone National Park would occur. The area of focus is Yellowstone National Park. This includes portions of southern Montana, eastern Idaho, and mostly northwestern Wyoming. Yellowstone National Park is unique in that it sits upon a supervolcano whose eruption 2.1 million years ago shaped the features we know today, such as the geysers and Yellowstone Lake, to name a couple. Archaeological digs have shown that the earliest human presence in the area was the Tukadika tribe, who lived on the land as far back as 1400 CE. In the early 1800s, explorers from the Lewis and Clark expedition recounted the site of the features and landscapes of the park. The Yellowstone area began to gain recognition when an explorer's letter describing Yellowstone Lake was printed in a local newspaper in 1827. In 1872, it was declared a national park. As it goes for the vegetation, Yellowstone National Park is home to 1,160 native plant species, and 4/5 of the park are covered in forests consisting mostly of various pine species. As you can see, Yellowstone is home to a diversity of animal species. The species, as stated in the beginning, that will be focused on here is the gray wolf. One of the utmost important concerns is visitor interactions with the gray wolves. It is important to ensure that both visitors and wolves are safe. After a 96-year absence, it is necessary to assess the impacts that the wolves have had on the various ecosystems of the parks as well.